Provide choice and creative opportunities to demonstrate understanding. So that's teaching approaches that engage students in making the world a better place can positively influence students' attitudes. Girls in particular want to make a difference in their world. So making sure that's something that you're bringing into your activities. Participating in a community inspires students to create innovative projects aligned to their interests. So doing things for your community. What if water is an issue in your community, getting clean water? Then maybe students could be involved in a project that helps to what can we do about this problem? And there's lots of STEM things, engineering things, science things that you could bring into that kind of project. And students express dissatisfaction when they have no control over the purpose of their projects. Students want to choose themselves what their projects are, and they want to choose themselves how they enact that project. And that can't always be the case, but giving them those opportunities makes a difference. So some classroom strategies. Have students create projects that align with their own personal interests or with their culture or with their social values. We can provide authentic choice for students in their projects, and we can harness some existing STEM project problem-solving processes